In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the header in Wix. Let's get started by navigating to the Wix website. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account so you can access your website. It's important to open the specific website where you'd like to make these changes, as each site you have might require individual customizations. Once you have your website open, direct your attention to the left-hand side of your dashboard. Here, you'll find the Menus and Pages option. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you can manage the different pages on your site. Now, from the list of pages displayed, select the page where you want to remove the header. Make sure to click on the correct page so you don't accidentally alter the wrong one. When you've found the page you wish to edit, look for the small 3 dots icon that's typically located next to the page name. Clicking on these dots brings up a drop-down menu where you'll see several options for customizing your page settings. Select Settings to proceed. This is where we can start making the necessary adjustments to the layout of your page. Within the Settings menu, you'll see an option labeled Layout. Click on this to explore different layout settings. One of the options you will notice is No Header and Footer. When you click on this, Wix will adapt your page to remove both the header and footer. This is especially useful if you want a minimalist look or need a clean slate for your content. After you've made the change to remove the header, it's crucial not to forget the final step, publishing your changes. Find the Publish button, usually located in the upper right corner of the editor. Clicking on Publish ensures that the changes you've made are saved and reflected on your live website. Remember, any changes made in the Wix editor won't be visible to your site visitors until you click Publish. And that's it. You've successfully removed the header from your chosen page on Wix. This process is straightforward, but it's always a good practice to double-check the page on your actual website to ensure that everything appears as you intended. If you need to revert any changes or if you accidentally removed the header from the wrong page, you can always go back into the settings and adjust accordingly. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks for customizing your Wix website.